Myself Shankar Shonath Narode, Department of Chemistry, and my research coursework code is CHEM 2066, and my departmental coursework coordinator is Dr. B.B. Singte sir, Department of Chemistry. My research topic is synthesis characterization of metal-free nanoelectrodes for hydrogen evolution reaction. Some problems with fossil fuel. Most of the energy that used come from fossil fuels like oil, natural gas, coal, nuclear, and then outcomes from fossil fuel means outgoing gases like CO, CO2, SO2, SO3, and then emission of the toxic materials from fossil fuels and climate change to environment, production of greenhouse gases, and then increase the global warming. Why need of here hydrogen fuel? Hydrogen fuel is clean, cheap, non-hazardous for human health, reduction greenhouse gases, no CO2 emission from uh, in this fuel, and alternative to fossil fuel. Hydrogen is promising environmental attractive with regards to future development of and CO2 and CO2 free by complete decomposition, safe handling, high energy density, excellent stability, non-toxicity at room temperature. Sustainable research efforts have been devoted to investigate HER activity of metal-free electrocatalyst. Metal-free electrocatalyst exhibit remarkable activity towards water splitting and generation of hydrogen evolution. Previously, hydrogen used in only industrial gas, rockets, fuels, but currently used in residential fuel cell car, fuel cell vehicles, etc. But in future, hydrogen used in forklift trucks, fuel cell buses, hydrogen power plants, portable fuel cells, fuel cell railways, fuel cell scooter, and fuel hydrogen jet aeroplanes. Hence, we have chosen here some metal-free materials for hydrogen evolution. Firstly, we have choose here graphene oxide, graphene decorated on multi-wire carbon nanotubes, and then those and then acid treated sonication, reflux, and dried. Those electrocatalysts used for electrocatalytic H2S splitting, H2S hydrogen sulfide to hydrogen generation. Then next one, functionalized multi-wired carbon nanotubes used for applicable for hydrogen generation by using water splitting, means generation of hydrogen and oxygen. Then rhodium nanoparticle decorated on graphene oxide, and those electrocatalysts used for overall water splitting, means hydrogen and oxygen generation. Here also hydrogen generation. And then next catalyst, functionalized fluorine C60 decorated with ethylene diamine as an electrocatalyst used for hydrogen to hydrogen generation as a fuel cell, hydrogen fuel cell in presence of 0.5 molar KOH. And then nickel oxide decorated on graphene oxide, those electrocatalysts used for overall water splitting reactions. This one is the representative same images and representative tame images and elemental mapping, means percentage of elements, actual percentage in element, actual percentage in composition. Okay, then next application, those electrocatalysts used for hydrogen conversion from hydrogen, hydrogen conversion from water, hydrogen conversion from H2S gas, etc. Those converted hydrogen used in fuel cell cars. Then next, ethylene diamond decorated material also applicable for overall water splitting, then oxygen and hydrogen generation. Then next, nickel doped graphene oxide, those electrocatalysts used for hydrogen and oxygen. This is the representative linear voltammetry data shows the excellent results for hydrogen generation from water splitting. This one is the silver decorated on fluorine 60. This a catalyst also showed excellent result for hydrogen to hydrogen. The last one is the EDA decorated on fluorine C60. Those electrocatalysts also excellent for hydrogen generation from hydrogen hydrate. Thank you. First of all, I would like to thanks my research group. Then I would like to thanks my research coursework coordinator Dr. BB Singte sir. Okay, thank you.